Hello, this is Don LaRotunda, and I'm part of the Bailey Middle School Physical Education and Health Education staff, and I'm here to talk about our department. Our mission is to offer quality physical education, health education, and physical activity programs to motivate students to pursue lifetime personal wellness. Our vision, to have 100% of CMS Bailey students graduate emotionally, socially, and physically healthy. Now we're going to talk a little bit about our staff and introduce everyone. This is Tracy Ford, brand new to Bailey Middle School. I'll give you a second to read this. Don Reel, one of the three original PE staff members here at Bailey Middle School, who started here at Bailey in 2006. I'll let you read what he had to write. Then there's myself, Don LaRotunda, and I'm from Buffalo, New York. And I have also been working here since 2006 when Bailey Middle School first opened. And I'll give you a second to read this. Next, we have Jill Martin, our third original member at Bailey Middle School, for part of the PE and health education staff. And I'll give you a second if you would like to read what she wrote. Physical education expectations. We have a dress code here at Bailey Middle School. Students must wear sneakers or running shoes, or they are not allowed to participate. They must wear a signed Bailey PE shirt for only sixth grade. They must wear a Bailey shirt of any kind for seventh and eighth grade. No jeans or Sophie shorts are allowed. Physical education classes, our expectations: arrive to class on time. No gum, candy, or drinks, including water in the gym. We ask that the students participate in all of our activities, and they should be bringing their Bailey Middle School agenda and behavior sheet. Locker room expectations: students have 5 minutes to dress in and out of PE clothes, use the restroom, and get a drink of water. All students dress out in the PE locker room, not in the bathroom stalls. No phones in the locker rooms. Students are required to bring their own combination lock for safety purposes. Here we have the PE grading system and how we grade formal, or how our formal grades are worked, how our informal grades are worked. And as I see this right now, we do have a change. If you are looking at this, our formal grades are 65% and our informal grades are now 35%, just so you are aware. Everything else on here is according to scale. And in order to get a full 10 out of 10 each day, students must be fully dressed out, give their best effort, and fully participate in everything that we are doing in class. Health classroom expectations and requirements. Students need a Chromebook at all times for health class. We ask that they bring earbuds or headphones to use with the Chromebook in health class, a notebook, and students need also to bring their agendas pens, pencils, and markers to write with. And we ask that they arrive to class on time. I'll give you a few minutes if you like to look at the North Carolina Healthful Living Essential Standards for grades 6 to 8. Here is some information regarding the reproductive health and safety education, other known as RACE, for grades 6 through 8. I'm sorry, you probably hear an announcement going on in the background. Please excuse that. But here's our health grading. We grade on daily classwork, pop quizzes, tests. We also have a notebook check. We ask students to be prepared for class on a daily basis, and they demonstrate self-management and social behaviors in class. We also have fitness testing that goes on in the beginning and end of each quarter to test their muscular endurance and their muscular strength. And this is required by all North Carolina students. If you would like further information, you can look at the tutorials and these cadence links. Here's some information on adapted P fitness testing and their modifications. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Bailey Middle School, Department of Health and Education, and I'm sorry, Health and Physical Education, and we will be sure to respond within a 24-hour period. We thank you for taking a listen and looking at the PowerPoint, and we hope that you have a great day.